Impact Radius Tutorial. Let's go! Alright, first things first, head over to the Impact Radius website and hit that sign up button. You'll need to fill out a simple registration form with your name, email, and a password. Once you're done, check your email to confirm it and boom, you're in. Your account is officially set up. Easy, right? Next up, after logging in, you'll be asked to complete your profile. Don't skip this part because it's crucial for getting paid later. You'll need to add details like your location and payment info so they can send those sweet commissions your way. Got that? Great, let's move on. So now you're logged in and you're staring at the dashboard. There are a few key areas to know about here. Marketplace. This is where you'll browse all the brands and products available for you to promote. Links. Here's where you manage your affiliate links, super important. Reports. This is your performance zone, track clicks, conversions, commissions, all that good stuff. Alright, let's move on to finding products to promote. Head to the Marketplace tab. You'll see a list of brands you can work with. You can either filter by categories or search for specific products you're interested in. Once you find something you like, click on it to get more details about their affiliate program. To promote a brand, you usually need to apply. No worries, it's a quick process. Just click on the brand's page and tell them how you plan to promote their products. This could be details like your audience or marketing strategy. After you hit submit, you just gotta wait for approval. It can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, but you'll get the green light before you know it. Once you're approved, head back to the dashboard and find the brand you want to promote. Now, you'll want to click on Create Link or Get Tracking Link. This will generate your unique affiliate link. You can also add tracking parameters if you want to get super specific with your tracking, totally optional. Now, copy that link and you're good to go. Share it on your website, social media, whatever you like. Now, don't let those links pile up like a cluttered desk. Go to the links section to manage them all in one place. If you want to get fancy and keep everything nice and neat, you can use link management tools like Pretty Links or Lasso to stay organized and track your clicks and conversions like a pro. And last but definitely not least, check the reports section regularly to track how your affiliate links are performing. You'll see how many clicks, conversions, and commissions you've earned. This data is gold, so use it to optimize your campaigns and double down on what's working. So that's it, pretty simple, right? By following these steps, you'll be all set to use Impact Radius like a pro. The platform is super user-friendly and packed with tools to help you connect with brands, generate links, and track your performance. If you want to learn more, there are also tons of video tutorials out there to dive even deeper into strategies for success. So, if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey. Catch you in the next one.